In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a PNG or logo watermark with Pixlr in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want a clean, transparent watermark for your videos, images, thumbnails, or social media content. Whether you're creating a text watermark with your name or uploading your own logo, Pixlr makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Pixlr. Once the editor loads, click Create New to start a new project. This is where we'll build the watermark from scratch. For a standard watermarker workspace, you can choose Web Small at 800 by 600, or you can enter a custom size if you want something more specific. The most important step here is to turn the background switch off. This gives you a transparent canvas, which is exactly what you need for a watermark PNG. After that, click Create, and your blank transparent workspace will open. Now it's time to add your design. If you want a text watermark, click the Text tool, which is the T icon, then click anywhere on the canvas and type your name, brand name, or channel name. You can adjust the font size and placement so it looks clean and professional. Keep it simple, because watermarks work best when they're easy to read without being too distracting. If you already have a logo, you can use that instead. To do that, go to Layer, then choose Add Image as Layer. Upload your logo file, and Pixlr will place it on the transparent canvas as a new layer. This is great if you already have branding and want a consistent watermark across your content. Next, look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can control how visible your watermark appears. Right-click your text or logo layer, or click the three dots on the layer and find the opacity option. Drag the opacity slider down until the watermark looks subtle but still visible. Usually, somewhere around 30 to 50% works really well for a standard watermark, but you can adjust it based on your style and how bold you want it to be. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to save it properly so the background stays transparent. Go to File, then choose Save. In the file format options, select PNG. This is the key part, because PNG is the format that supports transparency. Make sure Transparent is selected or highlighted in the Save window. If you accidentally save as a different format, you may lose the transparent background, so double-check this step before continuing. Finally, click Save As and download your watermark file to your computer. You now have a transparent PNG watermark that you can use in your videos, thumbnails, documents, or anywhere else you need branded content. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a PNG or logo watermark with Pixlr from start to finish. It's a quick and easy process, and once you do it once, you can reuse the same watermark again and again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.